Guys, welcome to our channel. Today my topic is Digistore24. This is term and condition. So let's start now. Effective effective as of March 2021. Important. These standard business terms to Digistore buyers. Here after referred to as the standard business terms are a legal agreement between each individual persons or entity referenced between here has you or buyer and Digistore24 inc here in after referred to has we or Digistore24 hour with us. That applies each time a buyer uses the digistore24.com site and its available functionality. Different hands has the online platform for or purchases a good or services from the online platform. Each buyer should therefore read carefully the following terms and conditions contained in these standard business terms as they govern use of the online platform and available purchases therefrom from by accessing using or purchasing any products or services on or through the online platform. You agree that you have read under understood and agree to be bound by these standard business terms which contain an arbitration agreement, a waiver of class action right and liability limitation. If you do not agree to be so bound, you may not access or use the online platform or purchase any goods or services provided on it. First, general terms. Second, property rights license grant current platform or offerings. Additional terms links to other sites where account feedback, purchase process, software prices, payment terms, subscription, refund delivery and delivery time, passage of risk, retention of title, copyright, designed agent of notification of claims or infringement, warranty, disclaimer of warranties, limitation of liability, indemnification, online dispute resolution or European Union citizen place of performs jurisdiction applicable law binding arbitration enforcing security injunctive relief miscellaneous terms and termination price policy contact information. First, in general terms, by accessing or using the online platform, buyer represents and warrants that buyers is at latest 18 years of age or the legal age of majority, whichever is greater, and will at all times provide to accurate, current, and complete information when submitting information or materials on our through the online platform in condition buyers agree to abide by all applicable local, state, national, and international laws and regulations with respect to buyers' use of the online platform or the utilizations of any available products or service. Buyer also acknowledges and agrees that the use of the online platform is solely at buyer's own risk. Number two, property rights. The online platform is owned by Digistore24 Inc. Copyright 2080-2021 Digistore24 Inc. and or its licensors all right reserved. Digistore24 the Digistore24 logo and all other names, logos, and icons identifying Digistore24 and its software solutions, products, and services are proprietary trademarks of Digistore24 and any use of such marks without the express written permission of Digistore25 is strictly prohibited. Other services, product, or company names mentioned here may be the trademark and or services marks of their respective owners. 3. License grant. The online platform is made available by Digistore24 and these standard business terms provide to buyer a personal, recordable, limited, no exclusive, no non-transferable and no sublicensable license to use the online platform in order to review information and purchase available products or services. Digistore24 servers all rights not expressly granted by these standard business terms. Accordingly, buyers may not modify, translate, decompile, create derivative works of copy, distribute, and disassemble broadcast, transmit, publish, remove, or alter any property notices or label, license, sublicense, transfer, sale, mirror, frame, exploit, rent, release, private label, grant a security interest, or otherwise use in any manner not expressly permitted. Here, the online platform buyers may print and download materials and information from the online platforms solely for buyers' personal use, provided that all hard copies contain all copyrights and other applicable notices contained in such materials and information, and that buyers does not further distribution of disclose such materials and informations for current platform offerings. Buyers has the ability to purchase variety of products or services via the online platform. These may include new or pre-owned products. In addition, Digistore24 offers the opportunity to purchase a subscription that may also offer products of or the rendering of services. We my all products and services both under our own brand and with and from dealers and service providers. Here in after referred to as contractual partners who once a buyer makes a purchase via Digistore24 provide directly the relevant goods or services